Hey everybody on social media, how you guys doing? This is your main man, the Self-Pay Prince, coming at you guys with another quick video, and I wanna thank ya for tuning in. You didn't have to do it, but you did. Now, in this quick video, I saw something on Google that I had to look at. And it's not something I really worry about, but I know a lot of other people are, so I figured I'd go on ahead and make a small post about it. It's about the Washington Post. The government shutting down leads hundreds of IRS employees to skip work, which could delay tax refunds. Apparently, this is something that everybody's worried about. But then again, they wouldn't have to worry about it if they all were doing something extra on the side besides just working their 9-to-5 jobs. Everyone's worried about getting their tax refunds or not getting their tax refunds. I just don't see the point because technically it's money that should never have been taken away from taxpayers to begin with. But it's crazy. I mean, check this out. Hundreds of Internal Revenue Service workers dealing with financial hardships were given permission to miss work during the partial government shutdown, which could slow down federal government's ability to process taxpayers' refunds, according to the Washington Post. Union leaders told the newspapers they are expecting the absences to increase as part of a coordinated protest. Last week, the Trump administration called back about 36,000 federal employees ahead of the tax filing season, bringing the total number of IRS employees working during the shutdown to about 57%. That's almost half, guys. Almost half. If this isn't a wake-up call for you guys to be doing your own thing, like opening up a small business for yourself and working part-time, if not full-time, then I don't know what will. And like I said, if you guys are looking for a way to get paid early from your jobs, up to 2 days earlier from your jobs, and make some bonuses by inviting others so that you can stay ahead of the game, I invite you to inbox me or inbox me directly so you guys can get some info on this free bank account that I am definitely promoting, because I am making extra credit to my account almost every time I invite someone. But this is definitely a wake-up call for most of you who are not starting a second business or a second side hustle and need some extra money and don't want to have to do much to it. Plus, what I'm saying is that after seeing something like this, it's definitely worth it to look into some extracurricular activities legally for cash. Now, it says right up here that many of the IRS employees who were called back are using a union contract provision that allows them to be absent from work if they suffer a hardship during federal government shutdowns, labor groups told the Post. After a month with no pay, real hardship does exist for IRS employees, including not having the money needed to get back and forth to work or to pay the child care necessary to return to work right away. Tony Reardon, president of the National Treasury Employees Union, said in a statement provided to CNN, "I believe the IRS management understands the stress that employees are under and is doing its best to accommodate the very real hardships employees are experiencing." He added that the union does not support employees using exemptions as a form of protest, but we do support people using it for true financial hardship. I want to reiterate that even as IRS employees continue to struggle with lack of pay, they are dedicated to their jobs and returning to work as directed, if at all possible. I'm not really cool with that because that makes me feel like, they don't have any other choice. It kind of seems like slave work to me, but that's just my eyes. People are already getting paid less than they should, and now they're barely getting paid at all. Once again, a side hustle is definitely starting to sound a lot better than just getting paid a small minimum wage rate throughout the entire day. That's just my opinion. If you guys feel whether you guys feel the exact same way or not, please comment below and share your insight. The IRS declined to tell the Post how many of its employees are out on hardship leave. IRS spokesman Matt Lees told the Post that the agency is continuing its work to prepare for the beginning of tax filing season, which begins January 28th. Wow, so that's just a few days away. Well, that's all I gotta say for now. That's all I'm gonna show you guys. I just wanted you guys to know that I'm not completely oblivious to the whole hardship. But just because I'm not worried about it just because I don't read into it does not mean I am worried about it. Because to be completely honest, I'm not. I don't work just one job. I have another side hustle, and I am actually proud of it. Much like the most of you who should be proud of your jobs and should be trying to get into something different financially. Just make sure it's whatever you enjoy doing, and make sure that whoever you tell is going to support you, and if they don't, leave them behind. You have bigger things to do and a family of yourselves to worry about. You guys have a great day and a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Love, peace, namaste.